Gold Coast is best known for its beauty and fun, with beaches, rainforests and the famous Surfers Paradise skyline. And with Gold Coast Skydive, you'll get the opportunity to experience all of this in a way that will make your heart race with excitement and put butterflies in your belly. So come with me while we go 12,000 feet into the air for a tandem skydive and to enjoy the spectacular ride down. So Archie, you're the man in charge here at Gold Coast Skydive,
Yep.
So what can I expect today?
A fantastic experience. We're going to get to go for a skydive from 12,000 feet right over the Gold Coast, landing on beautiful North Kira Beach. We're the only ones that are based wholly and solely on the Gold Coast, and yeah, we're very lucky to have approval to land on the beach now. It really does, as I say, put the icing on the cake. Let's go and do it then, eh?
Absolutely.
Too cool.
I'll see you back on the beach.
We've just got ourselves a new aircraft. It's a little 182, but it's all hotted up with all the latest skydiving mods on it. And the best thing about it is it's got a full perspex door, so you're not sitting there looking at a little porthole. You've got a fully clear door right beside you, so you really get to take all the views in on the way up. Now the deal is, if you can find something that's better than that, you got to give me a call and let me know what it is, okay?
No, I don't think there could be much anything better than that. Oh my goodness.